Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best underwater drone that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PowerVision PowerRay Wizard 4K underwater drone. We just love the innovative design of this next best underwater drone, which comes from PowerVision and is their PowerRay Wizard, which, like our budget choice product the Qysea ROV, features an impressive 4K camera. Whether you're a recreational underwater explorer about to head off somewhere exotic on holiday or a professional looking to add some serious clout to their bag of tricks, the PowerRay drone is an excellent option. For a start, it can dive to depths of 98 meters, and it comes with a base station which features a 230 feet long waterproof tether, so it's easy to control and reliably manage. Let's chat about the camera for a minute. It's fitted with a 4K Ultra HD camera which can also shoot 12 megapixel still photos with a burst mode that shoots up to 5 frames per second. Imagine the clarity and color you can capture those magical and mysterious underwater seascapes. It's also fitted with a 64GB SD card and, even better still, can deliver a fully immersive first-person experience thanks to the inclusion of VR goggles which transform your underwater adventure. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Thor Robotics 110 ROV underwater drone. Our next recommendation in the hotly contested category of best underwater drone kits comes from Thor Robotics. We're diving in, pardon the pun, and exploring the key features and benefits of their 110 ROV. Featuring 3 different control mods alongside an HD camera as well as having bright LED lights, it's been designed for amateur enthusiasts and professional marine researchers alike. Relatively small in size, it packs inside its own briefcase which will perfectly protect your drone in transit. It has a wide range of applications and can be used in the training field, which is why it's a popular choice with universities and other professional marine-based industries. At number 3, we have the Open ROV Trident underwater drone. If you are keen to explore the undersea playground of our vastly unexplored oceans, whether that be for recreational fun or as part of your professional occupation, then you are going to need a waterproof drone. We're taking a look at the Trident from Open ROV, which has plenty of features to rave about. Firstly, it's capable of being controlled and used to depths of 100 meters, but better still, it has an impressive 3 hours dive time and a top speed of 2 meters per second. With the Trident, you can easily capture and share awesome 1080p HD videos thanks to its optimized camera. We love the cool and modern design of this drone, which has been intentionally created to move like a fish through the water. It's a tough and robust drone that's easy to transport too, and it features elegant controls which are a breeze to operate. With rubberized bumpers surrounding the sleek white housing, it's easy to handle and operate and won't slip in wet conditions. The lens itself is also protected from scratches with a hardened sapphire coating. At number 2, we have the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini. The Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini is supplied in a nice backpack, not unlike one a photographer might use to carry a body and lenses, with a laptop in a separate bay. Setting up is reasonably easy. An included towel means you can set the drone down on sharp coastal rocks safely. On the downside, the protective caps for the 50 meters or 100 meters tether cable are easily lost, but otherwise, the drone is solidly built and can be thrown into the sea after setup, and can easily take a few knocks underwater. The bright color is easily spotted too. Smart features include depth lock, like altitude hold on a flying drone, and there is 64GB storage to record. The 5 thrusters make the drone quick to respond, useful as you need to tilt the body up or down to look around. You can lock the pitch, but the camera, and accompanying 1200 lumen lights, cannot be separately turned, making this a real pilot's craft, and fun with it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Qysea Fifish V6 or V6S ROV. The Fifish is available as a standard V6 and the V6S includes the robot arm accessory. On its own, this is a good quality ROV with a 100 meters maximum depth and tether to match. The controller is reminiscent of a drone controller, with a space for a phone as a monitor. It's easy to use, and the posture lock, hover, maintains position accurately, but we did wonder why the pad was plain white, a touch too generic. It does have a lock depth button, like hover, however, which is useful to have easy access to. In fact, many of the features 4K camera and dual 2000 lumen lights are more costly elsewhere, and this may be the most wallet-friendly way to add a robot claw with over 5 kilograms, 11 pounds, gripping force to your underwater expeditions. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.